Story. Today it's 7:45 now, and if folks are getting ready to run this morning, they'll probably need a jacket and most likely a beanie. Isn't that right, David?
Yeah, things are going to be getting cold here quickly. We have some rain out there now. The fog is lifted finally, but unfortunately it's coming with this big blast of winter weather. Winds not too strong just yet, but here in the next couple of hours we're going to see those northwest winds gusting up to 35 to 50 miles per hour, and that's going to drag our temperatures down quickly from the 40s down into the 20s and teens, and that will eventually change our rain over to snow. Now, not expecting a lot of snow here in the metro, less than an inch most likely, but as you get up into northern Iowa, that's where we could see a few inches of snow. You combine that with those high winds, that's where we could see blizzard conditions later today and especially tonight into tomorrow morning. So right now, looking out over downtown, yeah, the fog is thinned out. We still have some of those low clouds. Rain is coming down. It's 45 degrees. Not bad. Doesn't seem like blizzard weather, does it? But yeah, that is going to change here really quickly. Notice how our temperatures go from the 40s down to 36 at 10, 28 at noon, and by 4 o'clock, we're all the way down to 19 degrees with a few snow showers here around the metro. Those wind chills approaching 0. There's the cold air. You can see it up in Spencer, 26 degrees, 25 in Sioux City. Storm Lake now down to 30. Holding on to the 40s for the moment here in the metro. It was 50 not too long ago in Lamoni, Keokuk, 55 degrees right now. There's still some mild air out there, but it's all getting pushed out by these northwest winds. You can see them kicking up to 30 miles an hour sustained right now in Carroll and Atlantic. Those gusts already up to 35 and 40 miles per hour. Here's the wave of rain pushing its way across central Iowa right now. So we have some rain falling in the metro, but notice it's already changing over to snow as you get west of Fort Dodge. There is snow falling in northwestern Iowa. The Iowa DOT already reporting slick roads there in northwestern Iowa. There's the cold front. So it's knocking on our doorstep right now. And once that moves through, we will see that sharp drop in temperatures. Now, we are talking about snow accumulating here later today and blowing snow, blizzard conditions even. That's why we have a blizzard warning here north of Highway 20. This goes all the way through Monday morning, 9 a.m. It's not going to snow all the way through Monday morning, but the high winds will continue, and that'll keep the snow blowing around here in northern parts of the state. Between Highway 20 and Highway 30, winter weather advisory. An inch or two of snow here, but the wind, again, that wind kicking up that snow causing some travel issues. But the biggest concerns are going to be north of Highway 20, where we could see those whiteout conditions. The rain sticking around here through about 9 o'clock, and then we start to see that transition over to wintry weather as we approach the lunch hour. Already snowing in Fort Dodge, Algona, and Mason City here by 11 o'clock. We see that transition around the lunch hour in the metro, and then we just have a couple bands of snow that come through town here. So not a lot of snow. It looks like it's already wrapping up by about 3, 4, maybe 5 o'clock this evening, so it doesn't stick around all that long, but the snow wraps back around into northern Iowa overnight. And that's why we see the snow really pile up across northern parts of the state. That's why that blizzard warning is in place here across northern Iowa. 2 to 5 inches of snow possible here. The highest totals as you get up closer to the Minnesota border. Along Highway 30, an inch or two. Get closer to the metro, maybe an inch. Yeah, that snow doesn't stick around all that long. But even if you're not dealing with the snow, you're going to be dealing with these high winds. Gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour all afternoon into the overnight and right on into tomorrow morning. That's why that blizzard warning continues all the way through 9 a.m. Monday, and it's going to drag our wind chills down below 0 here later this evening, and by tomorrow morning, we are talking wind chills of 10 to nearly 20 below. So very cold air rushing in today, down to 8 for morning low tomorrow, 17 tomorrow afternoon with that snow still blowing around across northern parts of the state, 30s Wednesday, and then Thursday as we ring in the new year, we're back down to about 24.